Have you ever felt alone? Even when you're surrounded by people, it's not just you. In India today, loneliness is quietly spreading, right in the middle of crowded homes, packed trains, bustling cities. It's a strange feeling, isn't it? You go to work, chat with colleagues, squeeze into a local train, maybe even have dinner with family, but deep inside it feels like no one really sees you. This isn't just a passing mood. For millions, it's a silent struggle. Let's talk about why. In India, community and family are supposed to be everything, but that's changing. People move to big cities for work. People move to big cities for study. They leave behind their hometowns, childhood friends, networks. Suddenly, you're in a PG with strangers or in a flat where you barely know your neighbors. You scroll social media, see hundreds of updates, but haven't had a real conversation in days. And even back home, things aren't always better. Family is just there. Everyone glued to screens, everyone dealing with stresses. You might share a meal, but not your feelings. Mental health is still taboo. Admitting loneliness can feel like admitting failure, so we hide it. WhatsApp forwards jokes, "I'm fine." Loneliness isn't just being alone. It's feeling misunderstood, unseen, disconnected, even when close to others. It can strike anyone, young people in new cities, elderly with children away, people in big families. Chronic loneliness affects health. Anxiety, depression, physical issues like high blood pressure. How to deal? Recognize it. It's okay to feel lonely. There's no shame in it. Reach out, not just online but in real life. Grab chai with a neighbor, call an old friend. Small gestures, a smile, a simple "how are you?" can break the ice. If struggling, talk to someone. A friend, a counselor, maybe even a support group. You're not alone in this, even if it feels that way. Loneliness in India is real and growing, but it doesn't have to define us. Build new connections, find community in unexpected places, support each other. One genuine conversation at a time. Today, check in on someone, or ask for help if you need it. You might be surprised how many feel the same. Thanks for listening. Share your thoughts below, or just say hi.